Sorry. 2005-2006. So her poetry was performed by celebrities like Barbie Almalvis, Lauren Legarda, Aya de Leon. Oh my God, I don't remember everybody else. Basta Isa Calzado. Yes, Isa Calzado, and so much more. Bring me.
Okay. Bring me a suspenders.
Bring me suspenders. Oh my God, ang hirap naman nito. Bring me suspenders. You know, suspenders. Who has suspenders? Bring me suspenders. Sabi ni
I guess
Kung
we're not that old school.
they're not, no, walang suspenders daw.
Okay.
Oh.
Sige, ito na lang. Bring me a cap.
Bring me a cap. Sombrero.
Ayun, no?
Ang bilis. Come here. Ang bilis ni...
Oo naman, oh.
Yes, here we... Ayan, hold natin. Take a photo. Ano naman, sir?
Still serving.
Sure. By the way, he performed earlier, just so you know. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Thank you so much. Woo!
Congratulations.
Okay, next. Another. Okay, this one. Sticker, then dito sticker bundle. This is Capybara Valorant sticker and Citron Stone earrings.
Wow.
They're from booth A8, Tiny Tads. You can find them at, teka mahaba to. FB page. Tatawa ko. Hue. Sorry, I think I mispronounced it. Hue. YT is at Hue. So that's 4E and then HUE. Their Twitter is at Hanasukio1 and they're open for commissions. You can check them at the booth A8, Tiny Tads.
Right at the back.
Right at the back, again, we have Capybara Valorant sticker and Citron Stone earrings. Okay.
Kaya may iba kayo sa capybara. Yun yan.
Yeah,
Promise.
sticker and earrings. Okay.
Okay. Bring me.
Bring me
Wallet.
Ayan, come here on stage.
I heard
Ang
someone say
bilis niya.
wallet.
She sort of just danced in front of our vision. Bring me wallet. No. Come here. Siya muna, tapos ikaw. Okay? No, we'll give you another. Okay, wallet eh. So, ikaw muna. What's your name? Daniela. Okay. Miss Cookie Castle, come here. Okay lang. Wait lang, pahiram mo na black card ka. Will you pick a photo? Miss Cookie, come on. I want this for you, and then, ito pa sa brand. Alright. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Alright. Si Blackheart, ito, sticker bundle. Okay, let me just mention that they are Peppa stickers. They are booth A10. Katabi namin.
Nandun sila sa Artist Alley. Kasama namin.
Peppa stickers, and their Twitter is at Peppa_stickers, and their ID is Peppa stickers. Here you go, Blackheart. Let's have a photo. Thank you so much, sticker. Okay, another suplado shirt. Masipag na tamad. Okay.
Okay.
Bring me.
Bring me.
Ano kaya pwede i-bring?
Bring me a small bag.
Bring me a small bag. Ang bilis. Ang bilis nila. Bring me a small bag. Come here. Okay, come here. So, siya muna. Okay? What's your name? Okay. Miss Cookie, come na. Come here, Miss Cookie Guaso. Let's have a photo. Wait lang. Thank you so much, Renan. And thank you. And then ikaw din. Wow. Grabe naman. Thank you. This bag is so nice naman. Okay. Okay, this one is also Peppa stickers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, yung kapatid. Yung kapatid. Yung cute na kapatid. Alright. Again, gamemerch.ph. They are M34